Hello there, I'm Roman, your guide in the universe of email deliverability. Today, in Email Deliverability 101, how to make an app password for Gmail, Yahoo, and Outlook. But first, let's find out what an app password is and why do we need it. An app password is a 16-digit passcode that gives an app or a device permission to access your account. App passwords can only be used with accounts that have two-step verification turned on. Alright, but why do we need it? That's pretty simple. Without an app password, you can't add your email address to Warmy and your deliverability will not be improved. But don't get frustrated. Creating an app password is like a piece of cake. The Shopmail, our fictional company for educational purposes, wants to increase the deliverability of its Gmail, Yahoo, and Outlook, so we need to make app passwords for all of them. We begin with Gmail, so open your inbox, go to Account Settings, and in the search bar type App. You see App Passwords. Then you need to enter your password again. Google cares about your security. Then you move over to a page where you can make an app password. In app name section, let's type Warmy and click create. And the password is created. Let's go to Yahoo. We go in the account settings. Yahoo also cares about our security, so you have to write your password again. Let's go to security page, and here we can generate an app password. Let's type in Warmy. But for some reason this feature is unavailable right now. And last but not least, Outlook. We go over to settings of your account, security, obviously password again. In security, we go to advanced security options. We scroll down a bit and see create an app password. And the password is done. Alright, let's quickly recap what we've covered today. An app password is essential for adding your accounts to Warmy and improving deliverability. We went through step by step on how to create app passwords for Gmail, Yahoo, and Outlook accounts. Super simple process that takes 90 seconds per account. Having these app passwords lets Warmy do its magic. So now that you know how to make app passwords, you are ready to link up your accounts with Warmy. Just enter those 16-digit passcodes when adding new inboxes and we will take care of the rest. If you need any other assistance with deliverability topics, be sure to check our help center, the link is in description. We've got tons of helpful articles to keep you emailing like a pro. Thanks so much for watching, Warmers. Give this video a thumbs up if you find it useful and subscribe for more deliverability tips. I'm Roman from Warmy and I will see you next time.